Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with BeautyFix, which I got yesterday, but I didn't even...
And this is the one that I got for 1 month after she ordered it because I liked it so much, and then I was like, cancel, I don't want to spend the money
And
on
I was
this box.
too busy yesterday to even read my, because I get messages from the post office saying what I'm going to get, and I was too busy to even check that. So it says 20 years, well, I guess I should show you how it looks.
Oh,
so it says 20 years of beautiful skin.
That's for our birthday.
Pretty sure.
That's coming up. The little candle. We're going to karaoke tonight to start off our birthday weekend/week. We're doing.
Okay.
We'll let you guys know all the stuff we do.
So they always
post pictures on Instagram.
They always have great stuff in here. So okay, so I'll just pull out the first thing, which is it's a little like lid's kind of crooked, so I don't know if that's Anyway, Dermalogica's special cleansing gel.
It says a soap-free foaming gel gently removes impurities without disturbing skin's natural balance.
Yeah. And then is it Oribe? Dry texturizing spray.
Okay, have that. Okay, absorbs excess oil at the roots while leaving you with perfectly just styled hair for days. For days. 5 days without a shampoo.
and it's hot in my house, but I did turn the air on just so. But if we look sweaty, that's why.
Our subscribers know.
PCA Skin Hyaluronic Acid Lip Booster. Ooh.
Instantly diminishes dryness and boosts lips volume to create a plumper pout.
That's cool.
I like stuff like that. I was like,
Jinx.
Even though I usually don't want it, but
oh, this looks like a little Eminence Organic Skincare Strawberry Rhubarb Dermafoliant with lactic acid.
It says exfoliating scrub with rice powder and restorative strawberry gently buffs away impurities for a refreshed complexion.
And that's what the top looks like. That's I was like, looks
cute. Pepper shaker or something.
And then Sunday Riley CEO 15% vitamin C brightening serum.
She's got this in every size you can think of.
No.
This is exfoliate.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Kate Somerville.
Yeah. It's the same color, right? Am I tripping?
It's where do I have it?
It's the same color. This says, sorry guys, this says infused with 15% stable vitamin C that recharges skin's natural radiance. This serum targets dark spots and reveals firmer skin.
I like vitamin C stuff, so that's good.
Me too. I think it's me who has that.
And then SkinCeuticals Resveratrol BE. That's like it's where I just received recently, but that's okay.
This first of its kind night serum uses pure resveratrol to reveal radiance and promote firmness while you sleep. While you sleep.
And then they always BeautyFix. Okay, this is your 3rd month up thumbs, and I'm just saying your stuff is always awesome. Like if we don't tell you that enough, sorry, we should. Okay, and then Skin Medica TNS Eye Repair Age Defense.
This is intensely rich formula with growth factors, repairs, nourishes, and protects a delicate skin surrounding the eyes. Yeah. I could use that.
And then I
think do have a lot of
the last thing, but I could be wrong. This is. Am I gonna say it wrong? Is it Appearance?
It looks like. I don't know if it's French.
Does it start with an E or no?
Yeah, it starts with an E.
And then it says, we deliver the beauty of the skin, intensive nourishing cream.
It says, powered by fruit extracts and peptides, this therapeutic hydrating cream restores a youthful and even toned complexion.
Yeah. I think that was it. I'll make sure real quick.
And I'm kind of sad I didn't get that. There should be one more thing.
We're here for the unabashed love of skin. I don't know if you guys saw the little message that they have right there.
But I think there should be one more thing. I don't remember you doing this one. I might be tripping.
Oh, wait, it is. Oh, good. I'm glad I looked.
Glad I said
it's in the very bottom. Okay, and then New Face Prep and Glow
cleansing wipes. Hyaluronic acid infused wipes fight signs of aging while exfoliating, cleansing, and hydrating all in one step.
Like I'm shaking too much
coffee. I feel like this is a good overall skincare box.
And I wanted to say one of the items I got in BoxyCharm, I believe yesterday was BoxyCharm, right? Was Big Eye or Big Ego. What was I gonna say? Big Eye, Big Ego by Tarte or whatever. That's the mascara I'm wearing. I don't know if you can see. The only thing I seem to like the formula and stuff like that, but like the wand is kind of like gigantic, and so that's the only like negative thing I would say is it's like a huge wand, but otherwise I kind of like the way it goes on and stuff like that.
I like the Ico one. I have the sport one. My coworkers were like, take off your glasses because I'm wearing one on the left eye and one on the other eye. Different kinds of mascara, and they said they like both, but the Ico one, I said I don't have very many lashes. They thought it was good. It's Ico Sport. Just so you guys know.
That was just a little bonus there.
But that was it for this video, and it's actually my fault. We haven't done our giveaway video yet. I literally was supposed to bring over the stuff right now to show you guys what's in it, and it slipped my mind. Darn karaoke. We were trying to get ready so quickly. So sorry about that. So hopefully we'll do it again. I mean, bring this stuff by tomorrow or just in the next couple days as soon as we can fit it in. We've got back-to-back stuff.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun, so we'll take pictures. And that was it. As I said, just give us a thumbs up if it was fast enough for you. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of that giveaway we're going to be doing in just a few days. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.